Hi, hello, good evening to all. Myself Murali.P.G. Under Unacademy. Here we are going to have the classes under YouTube. Today I am going to take concepts on locomotion and movement. Okay, concepts on the locomotion and movement under human physiology. First topic. So, our Unacademy introduced best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants, and under this, you will going to get 12-month plan, then 6-month plan, and 1-month plan, and under plus subscription, the specialty is nothing but detailed theory is there, followed with the doubt clearance, MCQ, and mock test. Then mega quiz will be there, and you have if you have the subscription, then you can get unlimited access regarding this classes. So use my referral code and get 10% off with respect to this price value under this particular plus subscription. And secondly, we introduced the Karnataka CET 2021 comprehensive batch. So comprehensive batch, the specialty of this comprehensive batch, the character, complete syllabus is going to be covered, and tips and tricks by top plus educators, topic wise practice questions will be there, and full length mock test will be there. So here, this is another important milestone under Unacademy to achieve goal in your oncoming Karnataka CET. Please join to this comprehensive batch and get good tips and tricks and knowledge from top plus educators. And during the time of subscription, use my referral code Murali.P.G 853057. Okay, myself I am taking this class. I am taking this class from last 2 months. So it is a 6-month course. So Karnataka CET comprehensive batch under plus section 1. Okay, and the third one is the champion batch, like that of our Karnataka CET comprehensive batch. Here it is a champion batch where 3 important streams, that is PCM, PCMB, PCB is there, and started on 15th of October. Enroll your name, and here in the comprehensive batch also PCM, PCMB, PCB is there, like that. Same thing in the case of our champion batch for Karnataka CET. And newly introduced a daily T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET. It is free for all the students and started on November 2nd, and enroll for the test and attempt it live. Let's crack Karnataka CET together. Okay, so that is another important milestone in the field of Karnataka CET. So by these classes or tests, you will going to get enough information regarding with our Unacademy, and you can enrich your knowledge by using these classes. So if you want more things from our side, from my side, join the plus course, join to the comprehensive batch. I am also taking special class. I have taken several special class from last 4 months, and if you follow me on Unacademy app, student tab, you will get all the notification regarding with my classes. And if you subscribe Unacademy YouTube channel, you will get the notification and other class details of our different educators. Okay, so by this brief introduction, now I will enter into the question answer things under Karnataka CET. Okay, so it is YouTube class. Okay, my dear friends, good evening to all, welcome to all, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, you can ask. Okay, so first question, read the paragraph carefully and carefully. Light microscope studies shows that each myofibrils consists of a large number of alternating light and dark band, which gives striated appearance. The dark band are called what, and light bands are called what? In the middle of dark there is a lighter narrow area is present which is termed as what zone? Means y is we have to select that y, and the light band is divided into two by a narrow line called dash line. So select the correct one. So correct answer for this question number 1, it is C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. So I will use highlight now. So C is the correct answer. Okay. So what is this? So if you take the dark bands are called A band, anisotropic band, A band, which is made up of myosin, and light bands are called as I band, isotropic band. They are made up of actin. In the middle of dark band there is a lighter narrow area is present which is termed as what? H zone. The light band is divided into two by a narrow line, it is called Z line. So this is what the actual structure of one sarcomere. Sarcomere, structural and functional unit of muscle fiber. Manoj, yes, good evening. Welcome to the class. Okay. So first question, C is the right answer. And the next question, number 2. The thin filament present or the thin filaments are formed by proteins, namely what? So thin filament, it is made up of G-actin, F-actin, tropomyosin, troponin and actin. So what is this? Actin. Okay. So here we can say it is just a minute. It's not actin, okay. So right answer for this question, it is C, total components of the actin filament. So actin filament is made up of G-actin, F-actin, tropomyosin, troponin and actin filament. So these are the components of the actin filament. These are the thin filaments. Isn't it? Thin filament. Actin filament is thin filament. It is made up of following components. So second one, C is the right answer. Then third question. Let us have the third question. During muscle contraction, what happens? Isn't it? Yeah. So third one, it is chemical energy is changed into mechanical energy. So muscle contraction refers to the movement of the actin filament over the head of myosin. The movement of actin filament over the head of myosin. So for that purpose, there is the activation of the myosin head portion is by the utilization of ATP. There is a cross-bridge formation between the myosin head with the actin filament. So sliding filament theory is going to be formed. So continuous cross-bridge formation, breaking of cross-bridge, reformation of cross-bridge. So it is happening, it's a continuous process when we are showing the movement or locomotion. So during that time, energy ATP is going to be utilized. So chemical energy, the ATP is converted into mechanical energy. Okay, mechanical energy. So for third one, B is the right answer. Yes, you are right. Welcome to the class. Good evening. Next, fourth one. Muscle contraction is slowest in dash muscle or dash muscles. So in the case of smooth muscle, the smooth muscle, the muscle contraction is slow. It is not so fast. It is happening slowly. Okay. So answer is for the fourth question. Answer is B. Fifth question. Which is true in the labeled part in the given figure. So here I given one particular diagram of the sarcomere. Isn't it sarcomere? So what is true about this sarcomere? So here the fifth question, A is the right answer. So A means here Z line located. Here A means here Z line. A and Z line. A, B, C, D and 4 ಇದೆ. 4 options are there, 4 labels are given. So out of that 4 label, the right option is denoted with the A. So A is the right option, where labeling part A represents a Z line located at the center of I band. This Z line will going to bifurcate one sarcomere with another, one sarcomere with another. Okay. So fifth question, A is the right answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, Manoj? Yeah, you are right. For fourth question, smooth muscle, and for fifth question, it is A is the right answer. Then sixth question, for how long contraction of the muscles continues in the sliding filament theory? So how long means with respect to the duration, up to which duration the sliding filament theory will going to have. Contraction of the muscles continues in sliding filament theory. So for the sixth one, it is till calcium present in the sarcoplasm, because calcium is the particle or ion which is present in the cytoplasm of the sarcomere, and that is the sarcoplasm, cytoplasm of the sarcomere, and this calcium is going to mask the binding site of this troponin with respect to myosin filament. Troponin with respect to myosin. Yeah, myosin head portion will come and bind to the actin filament, isn't it? Actin filament, where the presence of calcium will going to mask the site for attachment with the myosin. So for that, till the calcium present in the sarcoplasm, the muscle contraction will continue, or sliding filament theory will continue. Okay. So there we can observe the actual polarization, depolarization, the changes with respect to calcium ion thing, isn't it? Next question, seventh one. Select the correct statement regarding the specific disorder of muscular or skeletal system. Yes, for the sixth one, C is the right answer. You are right. And seventh one, select the correct statement regarding the specific disorder of muscular or skeletal system. Yes, Lahari, welcome to the class. Good evening. So for the seventh question, it is B. Osteoporosis means a decrease in the bone mass and higher chances of fractures with the advancing age. So osteoporosis refers to weakening of the skeletal system due to the decrease of calcium concentration. So decrease in the bone mass. Calcium deposition will going to decrease. So as a result of that, osteoporosis, pore refers to small holes. So deposition of calcium reduces, result in the osteoporosis, and the total bone tissue will become weak, and there will be higher chances of fractures with the advancing age in the case of human beings. So right answer is B for 7th one. Lahari, you are right. The next question, number 8. Here I given assertion and reason. So let us have the assertion. Heavy exercise causes fatigue due to lactic acid formation. Lactic acid formation occurs in the muscle during anaerobic glycolysis. So what is the answer? So answer is what? What is the answer? Yes, highest chance of fracture. You are right. So answer is A for 8th one. So here assertion says that heavy exercise or heavy work, or we can say that due to the athletic work, sports persons, they are going to have the fatigue, tiredness will be there due to lactic acid formation in the case of muscle tissue. So lactic acid formation, how it occurs? It occurs in the muscle during anaerobic glycolysis. So during the time of exercise, the human being is going to take anaerobic glycolysis. So in the absence of oxygen, because oxygen scarcity when occurs, the muscle tissue will store to the anaerobic glycolysis, result in the lactic acid formation. When the lactic acid formation is there, it will going to have the negative impact on the actual part of the muscle tissue. Okay, so that is going to have the problem. So both A and R, assertion and reason, are correct, and R is the correct destination to assertion. So right answer is A is the right option. Yes, Devesh, welcome to the class. Good evening. Yes, Manoj, Shreyas, Lahari, then Devesh. Yeah. Are you following me? Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Yeah. The next question, number 9. Today I added 25 questions. Okay, 25 questions. So now we are heading towards 9th question, number 9. ATPase enzyme essential for muscle contraction is found in which part of the muscle tissue? So whether it is in actin or it is not actin, by mistake I given actin. So whether it is actin, myosin, troponin, and it should be actin. Okay. Yeah. Actin, myosin, troponin, and actin. So right answer is ATPase enzyme essential for muscle contraction is found in where? ATPase enzyme I am talking. It is observed in the case of where B myosin. In the myosin we can observe the part. So if you take the myosin head portion, in the myosin head portion you can make out ATP binding site, ATPase enzyme, and the site for binding of actin. 3 portions are there, isn't it? One is the ATPase enzyme, another one is the ATP binding site, ATPase enzyme, another one is ATP binding site, another one is the site for the binding with the actin filament. So 3 portions are there, isn't it? So right answer right answer is B, myosin. Okay, myosin is not actin, Manoj. So ATPase is the enzyme to utilize the ATP. So in the myosin head portion, 3 parts are there. One actin binding site, another one is the ATP binding site, another one is ATPase enzyme. Okay, got it? So 3 portions are observed. So answer is B, myosin. Then 10th one. A sarcomere is a functional unit of muscle, structural and functional unit of muscle. It extends between 2 dark vertical lines called what? So which is the area we can call it as sarcomere? Between 2 lines. Which are the 2 lines? That is the Z line. So Z line will going to bifurcate one sarcomere from another. So as a result of that, so it is B is the right correct answer. So as a result of that, we can observe one sarcomere. Okay, one sarcomere, next sarcomere. Between that, the Z line will be there, and it will going to separate out the sarcomeres. Okay. Next question number 11. See, choose the wrong statement with reference to muscle tissue. Wrong statement is B. The wrong statement. The myofibrils embedded in the sarcoplasm of the muscle fiber are surrounded by membranous structure which appear as vesicles and tubules together called sarcotubular system. So for 11th one, B is the wrong statement. Okay, that kind of structures are not clear in the case of our muscle fiber. Okay, but A, the first one, the muscle fiber is lined by plasma membrane. It is called sarcoplasm. That is right. Muscle fiber is syncytium. Syncytium refers to what? Multinucleate. That is right. The protoplasm of muscle cell is called sarcoplasm. These are 3 are right. So 11th one, B is the right answer. Yes, no, you are right. Okay. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. No problem. Okay. Next, question number 12. Identify the figure given below. So what is this figure? What is this diagram? So it indicates what? Myosin filament, okay, not myosin molecule. Actin filament, myosin filament. We are not seeing it as a myosin molecule, okay. It is the myosin filament with the head and tail portion. So 12th question, C is the right answer. So we are with another almost about 12 questions. Let us see one by one. Okay. Name the enzyme that catalyzes the following reaction. Creatine phosphate will going to convert it into creatine and phosphate. Which enzyme is going to be involved? It is creatine phosphotransferase enzyme. Creatine phosphate is converted into creatine plus phosphate individual unit. It is by the enzyme action creatine phosphotransferase. For 13th one, A is the right answer. Next, 14th one. In a thin filament, one troponin is attached to every dash G actin in the F actin. So 14th question, it is the 7th. So in a thin filament, if you take actin, one troponin is attached to every 7th G actin in the F actin. So in the F actin, we can observe the attachment of that troponin in regular intervals. At what distance? It is 7th. Every 7th G actin in the F actin filament. So 14th one answer is D. Yes, Lahari, for 13th one A is the right answer. Then for 14th one D is the right answer. And next question number 15. Long distance competitive runners are usually small and wary and run more slowly than sprinters who run much shorter distance generally have a large bulk of muscles. Which of the following best explains the difference between two types of runners? So physical nature of the two runners, short distance runner and long distance runner. Which is the right statement or explanation regarding these two types of runners? So rightly I said I will going to say about the answer. It is B is the right answer. B is the right answer, where sprinters do not run for long enough for sufficient lactic acid to build up in their muscle. Therefore, they can have muscles for more power. By being lighter and runner slowly, long distance runners ensure that their muscles receive enough oxygen for aerobic respiration. For short distance runner, nothing to worry. After 100 meters, they may exhaust. Nothing to worry, because 100 meters race over. Later they can take a rest. But not in the case of 1000 or 4000 or 3000 meter length, where they have to maintain the energy in their body, in the muscle. So they are going to have very slow movement in the beginning, and they are having long distance runners ensure their muscles receive enough oxygen for aerobic respiration. They will switch on to aerobic only. But in the case of short distance runners, they will going to switch on to anaerobic. So as a result of that, nothing to worry after that short distance coverage. Anyhow, they should get the prize, isn't it? Yeah. And the long distance runner, they are lighter and running slowly. Okay, they are lighter with respect to their body weight. All these things are going to be countered during the time of running race. So 15th one, B is the right answer. Next 16th one. Thank you, Manoj, for your kind compliments. And next one is assertion and reason. Rigor mortis is the rigidity of muscles in first few hours after death. After death of the person, the rigidity of muscles, that is a rigor mortis. Muscle cannot relax due to lack of heating. What is the assertion? What is the reason? Whether it is right, both are right or wrong, etc. etc. Here, both A and R are correct, and R is the correct destination to A. So muscle cannot relax due to lack of ATP. Relaxation is not there. Contraction may be there, relaxation is not there after their death. So because there is no what? No oxygen supply, there is no oxygen of supply of ATP. So total the physiological function is going to be arrested or permanently damaged, isn't it? So 16th one, A is the right answer. For 17th question, muscle contraction is slowest in dash muscle. It is B, smooth muscle. I think the question it is yeah. Yes, you are right, Devesh. Answer is A for 16th one, and 17th one answer is B, smooth muscle. Okay. Next is 18th one. Which of the following is the smallest muscle and bone in human body? Smallest muscle and bone in our human body, which is that one. So it is stapes and stapes. Muscles observed near to stapes, that is stapes, and stape is the smallest bone of the human body and found inside the ear, isn't it? In the middle ear, the stapes, incus and malleus, three important ear ossicles or ear bones are there. So the muscles with bones are there, and it is important for smooth conduction of vibrations from the tympanic membrane to the inner ear part, that is the cochlea, for the purpose of hearing. Isn't it? So answer is B for 18th question. Yes, Devesh, you are right for last 17th question and 19th question. For 18th one, B is the right answer. For 19th question, in human beings, the cranium is formed by, cranium refers to what? The skull portion, where it will going to cover the brain part, cranium. So 19th question, A is the right answer. 8 bones of which 2 are paired. So 8 bones are there, they will going to join together and going to form the cranium. So they are having immovable joints. The bones of the cranium are having immovable joints. So only the movable part of the entire skull is the lower jaw. This is the lower jaw. Remember, only the lower jaw will going to show the movement in the entire head portion under our skeletal system. Okay, so cranium of human being, it is with 8 bones, of which 2 are paired bones. Paired, that is the occipital lobe, so parietal lobe, etc. So we are having frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe. These are the individual bone part of the cranium. So cranium is the part of the skull where it is going to cover the brain proper. So answer is A for 19. Consider the following statement. Assertion says that iodine deficiency causes gout. Am I right? Yeah. Reason: reduced iodine intake decreases thyroxine production. What about the answer? Answer is right. Isn't it? Now select your answer from the answer code below. That is, answer is A, means both A and R are true, and R is the correct destination of A. Am I right? Yeah. Iodine deficiency causes goiter, enlargement with respect to our neck portion. That is because of thyroid gland abnormalities. So reduced iodine intake decreases thyroxine production. So thyrocalcitonin and triiodothyrocalcitonin and tetraiodothyrocalcitonin, the hormone. It is because generally we are saying as thyroxine. So thyroxine production is initiated, or it is influenced with the iodine content. So reduction in the iodine content deficiency will going to cause the goiter, enlargement of the thyroid gland where reduction of the thyroxine is there. So answer is A. Both assertion and reason are right, and reason is the right destination or correct destination of assertion. So right option is A for 20th question. Next question, number 21st. Which of the following hormone is protein in chemical nature? Is proteinaceous hormone. Majority of hormones are protein, and here it is a clear follicle stimulating hormone and LH hormone, luteinizing hormone. Progesterone is a steroid containing, isn't it? And oxytocin also present, is not purely proteinaceous hormone. Okay, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone are the clean protein enriched hormone. Okay, next, acromegaly is caused by what? Which is the important thing with respect to acromegaly. So acromegaly is because of what? So 22nd, it is A, excess of STH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Acromegaly, where we can observe the abnormality with respect to bone, etc. Okay. Next question number 23rd, am I right? Yeah. Which one of the following pair of organs includes only the endocrine glands? Endocrine glands. So we are with the exocrine gland and endocrine glands, isn't it? So out of that, endocrine gland refers to parathyroid and adrenal. Okay, thymus and testis. It's an organ, thymus. Placenta, ovary is not endocrine. Then placenta is not endocrine. Means includes only the endocrine gland. Okay, only the endocrine gland. Dual function is not included here, isn't it? The organs which are coming under dual function. Testis is production of gamete and also acting egg. So dual function. But parathyroid and adrenal are purely, it is endocrine gland. Yes, you are right, Lahari. 23, C is the right answer. And 24th, what is correct to say about the hormone action in human? So right explanation to human hormone. So erythropoietin is a peptide hormone, increase the production of RBC in bone marrow. Erythropoietin is a hormone that will going to have the influence on bone marrow to produce the RBC. So erythropoietin is produced from the kidney. Okay. So kidney is acting like endocrine gland. So in the chapter we can say that some of the organ systems are acting like endocrine gland temporarily. That is one of the things is our kidney. It is going to produce the erythropoietin. Erythros refers to RBC related. Poietin means formation of RBC. So influence on the bone marrow to produce the RBC. So control of RBC production is by this erythropoietin hormone. And last question, fill the blanks. Fill the blanks, last question. So 25th, A is the right answer. Direct I will say A is the right answer. What is this? Testosterone regulate the development, maturation and function of male accessory sex organ. Am I right? Yeah. The hormone epinephrine is a modified amino acid hormone. Hormone secreting cells called neurosecretory cells are abundant in the hypothalamus. Neurosecretory cells in the hypothalamus. It is going to secrete releasing hormone. Releasing hormone will work on pituitary gland for the control of that master gland, pituitary gland. Okay. Control of secretion from the pituitary gland. And all the pituitary hormones are molecules made chiefly of monomer of amino acid. So that is also right. So answer is A for 25th. I added a few of the hormone questions here. Don't worry. So plus the subscription promotional slide, best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. So if you want more things from my side, please join to the plus course and comprehensive batch. And I have taken several special classes also. So if you download the Unacademy app through Play Store, Unacademy student tab, and follow me in that Unacademy under Karnataka CET, you will going to get all the information, notification regarding with my classes. Okay. So plus subscription will going to have detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz, and unlimited access will be there for this one. And use my referral code and get 10% off. Murali.P.G 85 3057. And secondly is the comprehensive batch. Complete syllabus is covered. Tips and tricks by top educators. Topic wise questions are there, and full length mock test for individual chapters. So it is a 6-month course, and myself I am taking this one. So top plus educators are taking the classes under this comprehensive batch. And once again use my referral code and get 10% off with respect to price value. Like that of comprehensive batch, there is another batch called champion batch. Here also like that of comprehensive, PCM, PCMB, PCB batches are they started on 15th of October. Enroll your name. And last it is a daily T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET. So it is started from November 2nd, and enroll for the test and attempt it live, and let's crack Karnataka CET together. So thank you one and all. I wish you all the best and good night to all. Okay, thank you. I will going to wind up this class now.